So barbecue season may have come to an end this year, but today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool crossbow out of your leftover kebab skewers. To start with, I used some snips to cut the points off 4 of the skewers. Try to make sure they're all about the same length. Then use some sellotape on the end to firmly bundle them together. And do the same on the other end too. Next, take 2 more skewers, cut the points off these too, and fix these together with tape as well. I'm positioning the tape about 1 centimetre from the end of the skewers. Do the same on the other side, and this time we're also taping up the middle too. So when you're done, you should have one bundle which looks like this, and another one like this. Next, we need to open up the middle of the bundle of 4, so there's 2 skewers on the top and 2 on the bottom, and slide the other bundle in between, like this. Move it up to the front so it sits about here. And make sure it's mounted centrally. Next, use some tape the other side of the cross to pinch it tightly in place. Then wrap more tape around the join to hold it all firmly together. When you're done, you should have something which looks like this. Now you can use some more strips of tape to hold the back tightly together too. Next, we need to take a ball of string, cut it a few inches longer than the limbs, and thread it in between the 2 skewers like this. Tie it on and wrap it round a few times. Take the string to the other side, pull it taut, and tie it on in the same way. When you're done, cut off the excess, and it should look like this. Now you can see how it's going to work. Next, we need to make a guide for our projectiles. So take a piece of cardboard, cut off a strip about 1 inch wide, and roll it around a pencil to make a tube like this. Hold it together with a length of tape. Then take another strip and use it to fix the cardboard roll onto the crossbow like this. The darts that you fire from a crossbow are known as bolts, and we're going to start by firing a pencil. Load it in from the front, push it back against the string to tension the bow, and pinch it with your thumb. Then it's ready to fire. Pretty cool, huh? If you prefer, you can make your own bolts out of skewers. Cut them in half so they're roughly the same length as a pencil. Because these are lighter than pencils, you may find they fly a bit further. And you can use a box to aim at. Or you could make up your own target. Just don't fire at anything living. They stick into the box quite well, and it's a good fun project to make and use. It does work well with pencils too. But because these pencils are heavier, I couldn't quite get them to stick into the cardboard. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.